Hi everyone, good morning. I am Dr. Muralidharan A.K., Principal, MVR Ayurveda Medical College, Parashinikadavu. 13th August is observed as the Organ Donation Day. Organ donation is an act of donating an organ by a person so that it can be transplanted by surgical procedure into the body of a recipient. The recipient going to get benefited out of it by healthy as well as the social aspects. In 1954, Mr. Ronald Lee Herricks was the first donor. He donated his kidney to his twin brother, and Dr. Joseph Murray, he got Nobel Prize in 2010 for this particular advancement he made in the field of organ donation. Organ donation is an important nowadays way because by means of that we can save a number of lives where the recipient really in need of a organ. A person at the age of 18 can give consent for donating his organ. Two ways can be done. One, in a living condition, especially the kidneys, a special part of the liver can be donated to the donor who is really in need of it. And as you know that Father David Charamal is a living example for that, because the Indian Kidney Foundation, founded by Mr. Father David Charamal, does a lot of extensive propagation as well as awareness about this particular act of organ donation. Apart from that, a dead person's what we call brain death after accident, etc., if he has already given the consent or his relatives are ready to donate, then almost all organ can be donated. Most of the time it will be kidney, liver, heart, cornea, pancreas, and of course the part of the small intestine. So in Indian condition, the donation of cornea plays a very important role. So on this day of 13th August, to my young friends, I want to say that you should learn much about the organ donation and you should be able to propagate about it so that people are going to get aware about what exactly organ donation and what are the procedure involved in that. By means of that, we are going to save a life of a recipient as well as the society in large, for we are going to become a part of their happiness. So once again, let me tell you people that learn much about or try to find out more about organ donation and try to propagate about it. Thank you one and all.